Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to Homepoint Mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First thing to do is to open a preferred web browser of your choice. Now go to the URL box and type in lp-homepoint.servicemacusa.com and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in Homepoint Financial Corporation website. Soon after you do that, you will end up in the main homepage for Homepoint. Homepoint Mortgage is a mortgage lender headquartered in Ann Arbor, Michigan, USA. They offer a variety of mortgage products including conventional loans, FHA loans, VA loans, USDA loans, and jumbo loans. From the main homepage, if you want to make a payment for your mortgage as a guest, you can click on Make a Payment option at the top right and enter your credential and pay your loan as a guest. If you want to sign in as an existing customer, click on Sign In at the top right corner and enter your login information on the next page. If you don't have an account yet for Homepoint Financial Corp, you can click on the Register Your Account at the bottom and follow through the instructions. For existing account, enter your username in the Username tab and then enter your correct password on the next field. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on Remember My Username box. If you're using a public or a shared device, leave the box unchecked and click on the I agree box at the bottom. Finally, click on Login and you will then be able to sign into your Homepoint Mortgage account online. And that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.